HEX is trading at 2.62, 2.6 cents. We broke above the resistance, but then we found more resistance at this point here where I actually drew the line, and it looks like we're going back for a retest. Will the previous resistance hold as support? And then we could break above this and head for our next target of 4.6. 4.6 looks like a nice testnet V3 target, no? 4.7 sounds like a nice testnet V3 target to me, but what do you guys think? We could check out maybe the 4-hour even. There you go. A little bit more clear on the short-term price action. Clearly broke above this, but then obviously found resistance over here. Yeah, and I mean, we do still have that bullish divergence, which you could see better on the daily chart. But also, like Bitcoin, I believe the HEX bottoms in too. I mean, especially Bitcoin. So with especially HEX, I'm sorry. With HEX, you have the imminent pulse chain launch. Just the fact that that is very close, that the testnet V3 is almost there, is very bullish. I mean, how much more downside could you get when testnet? How much more downside could you get with a testnet V3 launch? Could you get a lower low? Certainly seems like it would definitely be tough, but never say never in crypto. Again, I also think that maybe we're not pumping as much because people think that that 11K in price is happening, and that has been hurting the HEX price, in my opinion. People don't want to put in money to HEX because people that are considering buying HEX listen to Richard Hart, and when Richard Hart says 11K in prey, they believe him. And if Bitcoin goes to 11K, they think HEX is going under a penny, or maybe a little above a penny, but a lot lower. So maybe they're holding back. Maybe they're not. I think they're going to get left behind, but I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, I mean, that's as far as the chart, not much like price action. I'd like to see us holding the support and heading up to testnet V3 target right here. This is the testnet V3 target. And then this is our how about this? Main net target. 18.8. Is it 7 cents or 18.8 main net? You know what it could be? It could be that 18 is our announcement, and then we get like buy the rumor, sell the news. We come back down to 7, let's say. We come back down to 7, and then we hold it as support, right? Like Benjamin Callen says, hold it as support. We need to come back to the 20 week or whatever and hold it as support. And then we go to all-time highs. Then we go all the way up there. How about that? So we get 18, testnet V3, pulse chain, imminent launch, sell the news, 7 cents, all-time highs. I have no idea. Or it could just be pulse chain announcement, buy the rumor, sell the news, and then up to there. Who knows? But I think the bottom's in. I think if the Bitcoin bottom's in, then the HEX bottom is certainly in. But yeah, I mean, that's really that. Thing is, HEX is a lot more volatile, so it could easily make another lower low with maybe not even the biggest Bitcoin dump because it moves in higher percentages. That's really how it works. But anyways, we got crypto bubbles. Red day. Very red day. HEX daily stats. Make sure you check HEX daily stats on the daily. And we got 63 changing current holders, 69, changing current stakers, brings us over 118,000. Sweet. We are over 118,000 current stakers. That's all-time highs. All-time highs current holders, all-time highs current stakers during the bear market. So the future looks bright, people. The future looks bright. But yeah, I mean, that's it for HEX. Let's see what you guys are saying. What are you guys saying? Jojo. Yes, I want to go lower so I can buy more. Yeah, that would be nice, I guess. Agree with that. Get all you can. Get them. Yeah, listen, I guess I wouldn't mind if it goes lower. I'm just not counting on it. But I wouldn't mind if it does. Hex Live says, show me Pulse X. Buy Pulse X. Not financial advice. But we got 26 watching, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, guys. And make sure you go to furufinance.com and book your free one-on-one today.